Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atma Green School, Jai Swaminarayan. Today I start with Standard 9, Book Geography, Lesson Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. This natural vegetation is flora and wildlife is fauna. I had explained this lesson in my previous classes. Today I will explain its very short question answers of lesson natural vegetation and wildlife. The first question, which plant out of algae, fungi, ferns are non-flowering plant and orchids is a flowering plant. Only orchid is a flowering plant while the remaining all, that is algae, fungi and ferns, are non-flowering plants. State any one characteristics of forest. Forest gives humus to soil, controls soil erosion and regulate the flow of water. What are the climatic conditions of tropical evergreen forest? The climatic conditions of tropical evergreen forest are high temperature and heavy rainfall, that is above 200 centimeter per year. What kinds of commercially important trees are found in tropical evergreen forest? The commercially important trees found in tropical evergreen forest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and cinchona. What kind of forests are found in the areas with annual rainfall between 100 and 200 centimeter? Tropical moist deciduous type of forest. There are two deciduous type of forest. One is tropical moist and second is wet deciduous forest. Okay, so tropical moist deciduous types of forest are found in the areas with annual rainfall between 100 and 200 centimeter. Sal trees are found in forest with what amount of annual rainfall? It is between 70 and 200 centimeter. What kinds of forest are found in the areas with less than 70 centimeter annual rainfall? That is thorn and scrub type of forest are found in the areas which is less than 70 centimeter annual rainfall. What are the common animals found in thorn and scrub forest? In thorn and scrub forest, the common animals found are rats, mice, rabbits, foxes, wolves, tigers, lions, wild ass, horses and camels. Sundari tree is an example of which type of natural vegetation? So Sundari tree very important हमारे India tree है. It is an example of mangrove forest. Which trees out of coconut, cactus, acacia and cinchona are found in mangrove forest? Only coconut trees are found in mangrove forest. बाकी जो है cactus, acacia, these are found in thorn forest, while cinchona trees are found in tropical evergreen forest. What is the main medicinal use of sarpagandha plant? The main medicinal use of sarpagandha plant is to treat high blood pressure. सर्पगंधा प्लांट हाई ब्लड प्रेशर को ट्रीट करता है. Which medicinal plant has both antibacterial and antibiotic properties? It is the neem plant. It has both anti as well as bacterial as well as biotic properties. What is the term used for a species if it is introduced to another environment? That is, the term exotic species is used for a species if it is introduced to another environment. Name the biosphere reserves which has been included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Okay, मैंने आपको I had listed you 18 such names. तो यहाँ पे जो है वर्ल्ड नेटवर्क ऑफ बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स आर सुंदरबंस, नंदा देवी, नीलगिरी, नौकरेक, ग्रेट निकोबार, मानस, सिंपलीपाल, पचमरही, अचनाकमर एंड अमरकंटक एंड गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार. In which state is Gir forest located? You students are very well known it. It is Gujarat. How will you define a sanctuary? मैंने आपको बताया कि सेंचुरी, नेशनल पार्क, सेंचुरीज, बायो रिजर्व्स, ये सब एक ही है. ओनली इट्स सिनोनिम. ये सब सिनोनिम है, सिर्फ इसके नेम बदले हैं. बाकी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स तो इन तीनों जगह पे है. हाँ, थोड़े बहुत हर जगह रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है, राइट. सो अ सेंचुरी इज एन एरिया designated for the protection of wild animals. ज़्यादातर ह्यूमन बींग्स का इंटरफेरेंस यहाँ नहीं है और बहुत सारे ऐसे इंडिया के सेंचुरीज है जहाँ ह्यूमन बींग्स को अलाउड नहीं है. ओके, फॉर सफारीज ऑल्सो. What is meant by vegetation? That is natural vegetation. It refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. Okay, next there are that is in which part of India mangrove forests are found? Mangrove forests are found in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari and Mahanadi delta. Then name the natural habitat of the following animal species. About elephant. It is mostly found in the hot wet forest of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. One-horned rhinoceros. It is found in swampy, marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. Camels, everyone know, Thar desert, it is called the ship of the desert. Indian lion, Gir forest. Tigers, forest of Madhya Pradesh, the Sundarbans, that is West Bengal, and Himalayan regions. And yak, लद्दाख का एनिमल है, ह्यूज एनिमल, बहुत सारे हेरी एनिमल है पूरा. उसकी जो हेयर्स है नीचे ज़मीन तक टच करते और काफ़ी फैट है याक. देन द यूजेस ऑफ बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स. इन ईच बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व the core aim, that is the main aim, is to preserve wild animal. ये तो sanctuary में भी है और bio reserve में भी है. That is both the flora and the fauna in their natural forms. Then the surrounding zone would be utilized for research and experimentation in developing forest and other products. Biosphere reserves help to ensure the environmental, economic and social sustainability of the region by encouraging wise use of natural and human resources, and they provide practical ways to resolve land use conflicts and to protect biological diversity. That is to protect our natural heritage of India. हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने 103 नेशनल पार्क सेटअप किए हैं एंड 535 वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज. ओके क्यों एस्टैब्लिश किए हैं, वाई, क्या रीजन था? टू प्रोटेक्ट द नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम ऑफ आवर फ्लोरा एंड फौना एंड to prevent the indiscriminate destruction of natural environment. Okay, then mostly likely asked question, that is moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. First we will go on for moist deciduous forest. They are found in areas with annual rainfall between 100 and 200 सेंटीमीटर. और यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर कौन से ट्रीज पाए जाते हैं? टीक, बैम्बू, साल, शीशम, सैंडलवुड, खेर, कुसुम, अर्जुन एंड मलबरी ट्रीज. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रीज है और एक्सपेंसिव फर्नीचर बनता है इन ट्रीज से, और सब अपने अपनी तरीके से इसे यूज़ किया जाता है. कुछ मेडिसिनल भी है इसके अंदर. Then these forests have not been cleared much and they cover about 34% of the India's forested area. Then we go to deciduous. They are found in areas with annual rainfall between 70 and 100 centimeter. Its trees are teak, sal and neem and peepal trees. Then large areas of these forests have been cleared for cultivation and grazing, and they cover about 30% of India's forested area. Then we go to next, that is thorn forest and mangrove forest. Thorn forests are found in areas with annual rainfall less than 70 centimeter. Babool, kikar, palm, cactus, acacia trees and bushes are found here. Okay, ये जो unwanted plants होते हैं, flowering, unflowering plants होते हैं ना, ये कहीं भी grow हो सकते हैं. Okay, इनको ज़रूरी नहीं बारिश की ज़रूरत है, अगर नीचे जो soil wet है तभी भी ये grow हो जाते हैं. इनके लिए कोई specific reason नहीं है grow होने का. These are found in most of Rajasthan, northern part of Gujarat, and in some areas of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Deccan Plateau, and they have lack of moisture. Then we go to mangrove forest. These are found in the delta regions of rivers and are not dependent on amount of rainfall. कौन सी ट्रीज है यहाँ पे? सुंदरी, पाम, कोकोनट, कियोरा एंड अगर ट्रीज आर फाउंड हियर. बड़े बड़े ट्रीज हैं ये, एंड दे आर फाउंड इन द कोस्टल डेल्टा रीजन्स, दैट इज ईस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. देन दे हैव एडिक्वेट मॉइस्चर एज दीज आर सबमर्ज्ड अंडर वाटर. मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट, आधा फॉरेस्ट पानी के अंदर ही है ये, इसलिए तो समुद्र के किनारे पाया जाता है. ओके, वन मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट आंसर इज सर्वाइवल ऑफ मैन इज एट स्टेक इफ वी डू नॉट कंजर्व आवर रिच फौना. यस, इट इज़ वेरी ट्रू. ओके, मैंने आपको बताया था कि इफ़ वी आर बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप ऑन दिस प्लैनेट अर्थ, सिर्फ एक ह्यूमन बीइंग ही काफ़ी नहीं है, हमें सरवाइव करने के लिए बहुत कुछ चाहिए, फ्लोरा फोना बहुत कुछ. ओके, दैट इज बिकॉज एनिमल्स प्ले अ मेजर रोल इन आवर लाइफ. दे प्रोवाइड अस मिल्क, एडिशन टू इट मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. ड्यूरिंग ड्राउट सीजन they help us in cultivating and plowing the field. The fish is nutritive too and provides us rich proteins. Besides, many insects help in pollination of crops and fruit trees. So every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. Hence, we have to take some effective measures to conserve these resourceful species. बहुत important answer है. Then India is rich in its fauna. हाउ डू फॉरेस्ट प्ले अ प्रोटेक्टिव रोल, एक्सप्लेन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये बड़े बड़े आंसर्स में से ही आपके MCQ पूछे जाते हैं. So if you learn these big answers, if you go through the text, it will be easy for you to do these MCQs. Then you practice map at home, okay, and that is give examples of trees found in thorny and scrub vegetation. Which type of vegetation is found in deltic region? Give list of trees found here. How virgin vegetation differs from natural vegetation. Which vegetation is known as purely Indian vegetation? Why does the India have such a diverse variety of plants, species and wildlife? Land affects the natural vegetation directly and indirectly. Explain any 3 features of mountain forest. Okay, that is 3 features of mountain forest are that is these forests are found in the mountainous area of Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. Then इसके जो एनिमल्स हैं वो बिल्कुल स्नो एनिमल्स हैं, ओके, बिकॉज स्नो एरिया है ये. So with this I had finished this lesson, 6th lesson completely with its textual exercise also I has discussed, plus many multiple exercises I have discussed. Okay, so we start with our next lesson, that is lesson number 6. Okay, we start with this. After that I will start with population. Just copy few objective type questions of lesson number 6. Which of the following plays a major role in enhancing the quality of environment? You have to fill the gap. Go through the lesson and fill the gap. Which of the following plays a major role in enhancing the quality of environment? Next, a very large ecosystem on land. A very large ecosystem on land having distinct type of vegetation. A very large ecosystem on land having distinct type of vegetation and animal life is called dash. The variation in duration of sunlight. The variation in duration of sunlight at different places is due to which of the following? The variation in duration of sunlight at different places is due to which of the following? forest growing in annual rainfall areas. Forest growing in annual rainfall areas between 70 and 100 centimeter, 70 and 100 centimeter are classified as dash. Next, why do migratory birds travel to India? Why do migratory birds travel to India in winter from thousands of kilometers away? Okay students, so in this lesson you have to make a flow chart. आप फ्लो चार्ट बनाओ, दैट इज व्हाट इज नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, वर्जिन वेजिटेशन, देन फर्दर वर्जिन वेजिटेशन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू एंडेमिक एंड इंडिजिनियस स्पेसीज, देन फर्दर इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू एक्सोटिक स्पेसीज, देन देर आर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, उसका यू राइट इट्स ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन कि वो कहाँ पाया जाता है, कितना हैवी रेनफॉल चाहिए, विच ऑल स्टेट्स में ये एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट है, एनिमल्स, okay, then thorn forest and scrubs, then mountain forest, mangrove forest, then about the Wildlife Protection Act, conservation and preservation of our government. Okay, that is the last part is loss of ecosystem. Every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. Thus, its conservation and preservation is essential for environment. Due to excessive exploitation of the plants and animals resources by human beings, the ecosystem has been disturbed. About 1,300 plant species are endangered and 20 species are extinct. The main causes of threat to ecosystem are: number 1, hunting by greedy hunters for commercial purposes. Second, pollution due to chemical and industrial waste, acid deposits. Third, introduction of alien species. Fourth, reckless cutting of the forest to bring land under cultivation and habitation. And the last part of this lesson is government steps for protection, conservation, you can say, of flora and fauna. Okay, one has to, ये नहीं होगा तो we human beings cannot survive because we are incomplete without this flora and fauna. In spite of all these steps taken by government, it is must to realize the importance of the natural ecosystem for our own survival. Okay, that is, in spite of all these steps taken, government तो steps लेगी ही, conserve preserve करेगी ही, but we as a citizen of India, हमें भी कुछ, हमारी भी कोई ड्यूटी है कि अब हम कभी किसी को कुछ गलत करते हुए देखें against this flora and fauna, immediately we should consult the forest department person. Okay, it must to realize the importance of natural ecosystem for our own survival. गवर्नमेंट तो प्रिजर्व कंजर्व कर ही रही है, हमें भी होना चाहिए कि हमारे सर्वाइवल के लिए ये नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम, फ्लोरा, फौना कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. देन ओनली indiscriminate destruction of natural environment will be put to an immediate end. Okay, so in our country there are many national park, sanctuaries and bioreserves, that is bird sanctuary भी है. Okay students, so with this I had wrapped up my lesson number 6. So please do read the lesson and prepare yourself for the second periodic test. जिन बच्चों के कम मार्क्स आए हैं प्लीज़ पढ़ाई करो and score good marks. Complete your books. And yes, about the subject enrichment activity, a gentle reminder, there are very few days to go, so please submit your subject enrichment activity before time. Okay, that is the last date is 15th of October. Okay, so with this I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all. Take care.